Have you ever found yourself at a Stash ATM, card in hand, and wondered, how much can I actually withdraw? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the Stash ATM withdrawal limits so you can plan your cash needs accordingly. Stash ATMs offer a convenient way to access your funds, but understanding the withdrawal limits is essential to avoid any unpleasant surprises. Whether you're heading on vacation, making a large purchase, or simply need a bit of extra cash, knowing your limits will prevent unnecessary trips to the ATM. Daily withdrawal limits. Let's start with the most common scenario, daily withdrawals. Stash ATMs typically have a daily withdrawal limit, which is the maximum amount you can withdraw in a single day. This limit varies depending on factors such as your account type, account balance, and the specific Stash ATM you're using. Factors affecting daily withdrawal limits. Account type. Your account type, whether it's a basic checking account, a savings account, or a premium account, can influence your daily withdrawal limit. Higher tier accounts often have higher limits. Account balance. Your account balance can also play a role in determining your daily withdrawal limit. If you have a substantial balance, you may be able to withdraw more than someone with a lower balance. ATM location. The specific Stash ATM you're using might have slightly different withdrawal limits. Some ATMs may have higher limits due to their location or the type of ATM it is. Checking your daily withdrawal limit. To find out your exact daily withdrawal limit, you can check your Stash app or online banking. Most banks provide this information through their online platforms. Contact Stash customer service. If you're unable to find the information online, you can call Stash customer service for assistance. Weekly and monthly withdrawal limits. In addition to daily limits, Stash may also have weekly or monthly withdrawal limits. These limits are typically higher than the daily limit, allowing you to withdraw larger amounts over a longer period. Understanding fees. When withdrawing cash from a Stash ATM, it's important to be aware of any associated fees. While Stash ATMs often have lower fees compared to other banks, it's still a good idea to check your account agreement for specific details. Tips for maximizing your withdrawal limits. Plan ahead. If you anticipate needing a large amount of cash, plan your withdrawals in advance to avoid exceeding your daily limits. Consider using a debit card. In some cases, using your debit card at a retail store might allow you to withdraw more cash than the ATM limit. Be mindful of fees. If you're planning to withdraw frequently, be aware of any associated fees to avoid unnecessary costs. Understanding Stash ATM withdrawal limits is essential for managing your finances effectively. By knowing your limits and planning accordingly, you can avoid any surprises and ensure you have the cash you need when you need it. Do you have any questions about Stash ATM withdrawal limits? Leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.